Hey everyone, Rob here, and I got some more updates on the eruption. Now what you're looking at now is the live stream I did when I went to the eruption a couple of weeks ago. This particular section of that live stream is what we're going to be talking about today, because this area in the next hour, 2 hours, one day will be overflown with lava. Basically what's happening is the lava has increased so much and it has crept up this hill, I would say pretty quickly because I feel like I was just there, but it's crept up this hill and it will isolate this path, go over the path that was used both in the live stream and by everyone that wants to get a good look at the eruption. So the police have put up tape. People have broken through the tape to go through it. I don't know if the tape broke or if people are just kind of ignoring it, but they are saying that it could at any moment just overflow the path. Now, before I show you the actual images that I have of recently from today, I believe it was, I want to take a look and show you exactly why this hill is so amazing for this eruption. If you can see here, this is at the top of the hill. You have a spectacular view of the eruption. What they're saying in the news, and I 100% agree with it, is the longer this goes on, the more difficult it's going to be to get close to the actual cones and the lava coming out. It's a real shame for everyone wants to come here and see it, that the lava is pushing us further away. But, I mean, I guess you can always do a helicopter tour or something like that. I'm wondering as well if they're going to create new paths, maybe a little bit longer so you can go around the other side. I'm not sure exactly what's going on, but take a look at this picture here and you can see exactly how this police tape has broken. You see all these people going up and you can see how close the lava is to overflowing. As I said, they're not sure if it's going to be within the next hour, maybe the next couple hours, or even within the day, but yesterday they did close it off. They evacuated everyone off the hill because what they don't want to do is have all of a sudden some lava over top of this pathway going up this hill, and then have to helicopter people, 3 at a time or however many helicopter holds off of the hill. It's very expensive and you're going to annoy a lot of rescue people if you're the one that's going to be trapped up there. So I thought this was really fascinating stuff. As I said, I was just there a couple of weeks ago. The development is really, really quickly happening and the lava it's more and more. And the weird thing to me is when we think that the lava is going in one direction, we're going down Natahae and things like that towards the road. Then we have this second pool of lava that's sort of engulfing other viewpoint areas. Now, the good news is, even if it does go over this pathway, there was a live stream I did even before this one where I climbed up a hill. It is more dangerous to climb up this hill that I did, but you do still get a fairly decent, good vantage point. And I think that the hill that I climbed will be accessible for quite some time. But who knows? I mean, this development is going on very, very quickly. So I just wanted to say thank you to Oscar von Stetten. I hope I said that correctly. Apologize if I didn't, as he was the one who allowed me to show you all this new image of the broken police tape and everyone ignoring guidelines. The authorities are thinking about having people there permanently, at least until the lava overflows. So if you're thinking about kind of sneaking on in, they're looking at having someone to stop you. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. If you like this, hit the like button and of course subscribe if you want to keep up to date. I do a bunch of different videos, including the ice cream one, and I got more stuff with food and drink coming up in the next week or so. So look forward to that as well. Thanks so much for watching.